Good morning, everybody, and welcome to BTC AI price prediction. First, before we switch to BTC situation and current price, I will just like to show you the dominance. The dominance broke from this trend, and we are almost getting to this sector here. This sector is really important. I explained why in this video that was released 13 days ago, so you can go watch it. I am not going to explain again why I think this level of Bitcoin dominance is really important, but essentially just one sentence. Here we started big Bitcoin rally, and when Bitcoin dominance reaches here, we can expect that we are approaching end of next mini bear market that is coming. Let's now switch to the Bitcoin price. So this is something that you are much more interested in probably. So as you can see on my channel, I was preaching for almost a month always that I'm crypto bear. And for the record, because not a lot of people watch this channel, I will repeat it. On 8th of March here I sold all my crypto, actually not all, but almost all Bitcoin. Few days later I sold the rest of it for $68,000. It was 68 point something, and since then I am crypto bearish. Since then I will switch to 30 minutes chart because it's slightly more visible what I'm trying to explain to you. So since then we put new all-time high, and we went down again to this level of 61,000, bounced back, put few higher highs, but still not all-time high, went down again. We could not hold this line above 70,000 anymore, it was obvious. Lower high, let me remove all drawing. So this high was lower than this one and this one. It did not hold for long, and then we immediately came down. Additionally, some of the events on international stage and those this situation regarding Israel and Iran also affected us, but we got here. What is important is that after this is a really strong support. We have really strong support here. A lot of people buying at this area, so we will not break it that easily. But as you can see, next bounce of this was really low. We were not able to reach 68, 70,000. We were not able to reach any of those levels that are higher than this one. And essentially what happened and what is happening now, I think that by now it is obvious. For a long time I was thinking that if we put new all-time high before we go down, it would be maybe 5-10% or something like that, maybe to 80-85, but this would be maximum, and even I was skeptical about that. Now I am almost 100% sure that there is nothing from all-time high. We are in next several months, we are going to get cooled down, and look, it had been a month since all-time high, more than a month, 34 days. And we are not capable of getting to higher levels. We are just getting more and more down, and we are just testing old supports. It is just a matter of time when this support will get taken down and when we will go to the lower levels. My idea for this video, like, this is the situation. You like it or you don't like it, it's your problem. Market will never ask you what you like or what you not like. Market will do what market does. So my general idea is to now to think, where will Bitcoin stop? Yeah, by the way, just a second. When I did one small trade. Usually I not trade that much, but I did one small trade when we were falling down here. here I bought Bitcoin at 62 point something. I put immediately sell order at 64. It went away while I was sleeping, and this was my only trade in last month. And I am probably making, as I said, I'm making maybe 2-3 trades a year, maybe 5, not not more than that. Because I'm not day trader, I don't live from trading, I live doing some other stuff in life, mainly programming and coding, and Bitcoin is just one nice additional way of making money or saving money, because obviously saving in fiat is not that smart on long term. Anyway, or saving just in fiat is not that smart in long term. Anyway, my point of this video is not to discuss will Bitcoin break this support or not. It is obvious that it will break this support, that will go down, that will end up somewhere in this area between 50 and 60,000. I am not expecting that it will go all the way to the 40,000. So my expectation for next mini bear market is not to get to 40,000. If Bitcoin ever reaches this level, 42, 43,000, I think that I will not have any more money to put into the crypto. If we break below 52, 50,000, that means that I'm putting all my money into crypto, and that's it. All my money that is dedicated for crypto, I am putting into crypto, not all, obviously. I am obviously saving some money on other places. Expectation for next mini bear market to last probably until autumn or maybe all summer. The longer the better, because I will have more time to DCA. We are definitely going below 60,000. 50,000 is something reasonable to expect. This is 30% drop only. It is not really big drop, but alts will probably have bigger drop than that. And if we go all the way to 40,000, 43, 42,000, this will be 40% drop, which is possible, but I don't think that I will have balls or strength, or that I will be ready to wait that price. I will just probably buy before that and then DCA as much as I can on the way to there if we ever reach that price. I want to show you now last bear market. What happened here? In that bear market, we had several capitulations. We need to keep in mind that most of those capitulations is just bankruptcy of some companies. FTX, Celsius, Terra Luna. Like we had, I think one was Terra Luna, one was Celsius, one was FTX. I don't remember which one is which one. But after each of those capitulations, we have many of those, you can see. After each of those capitulations, we had some kind of bounce in the price. And what I will try to do during this future bear market that I am fully expecting is to wait for those falls, to dedicate around 10% of my crypto portfolio to this trading, and just to buy in the middle of this capitulation, or when this capitulation is really happening, like hour 2, first, second, third hour of capitulation. As you can see, on 30 minutes chart is really nicely visible that when price is really falling down, and when you have like those two really big red candles that are 3% in half an hour and 4% in half an hour. And when I see something like that, I will probably try to buy and then just try to immediately put sell order that is 2, 3, 4% above the buying price. And of course, then to wait at least until we reach 50,000. Not you. My apologies, 50,000. Let's move to 1-day chart. So to reach this level, somewhere here, around 51, 52,000, something like that, and then I would start strongly DCAing. When I start DCAing, that means that I will just dedicate it, for example, 20% of my stable coins, and I will say this week I'm buying 20%, in 2 weeks I'm buying another, in next week I'm buying another 20%, and in 4 or 5 weeks I will put all my stable coins into the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and probably some other altcoins that I'm going to decide which they will be. I don't know yet. Probably 20% of my portfolio or 30% will go to altcoins that are not Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's all from me. Regarding my script, let me just show you this also. Really quickly, you will have link of this spreadsheet in description of this video. My AI script that is trying to predict future price of Bitcoin, this number that you see on the screen, 0657, that means that script is thinking that there is 65% that Bitcoin will be higher in 30 days than it is today. And I consider this script bearish. Now it is 0.33, which is a lot of bearish. And as time passes on those levels, you can see that script is more and more bearish as the time goes on. It probably waits for some kind of capitulation or something like that in order to starts increasing the chances. When prediction is above 0.5, then I consider script to be bullish. When it is below 0.5, then it is bearish. Performance of this script during this year was quite abysmal, but we will see how it will behave in the future. Thank you for watching. My name is Predrag Danicic. I forgot to introduce myself. If you like the content, and if you like to subscribe to one channel that is not shilling you any coins, that is not telling you buy this or buy that, that is honestly speaking about situation, at least how I see it, then consider being my first subscriber. Thank you very much and goodbye.